Hello everyone, welcome back to the Dyer 101 Way to Transform Your Life series. Here we are, part 77, talking all about others once again. And he says, on this day, we should listen to others. We should, pay attention to the things that other people are saying and actually listen to them. Because so many people don't really listen, they just kind of tune it out, they just kind of will repeat back small details if the other person later asks, just to make sure they were listening. And most of the time, people just never listen. So he's saying, forget all that, let's actually listen to other people. And when we're going to respond to them, start with you. You seem to be having a tough day. You seem like you've got this. You seem like that kind of stuff. Because when we show we care about other people, this will cause our subconscious mind to show that it cares about us. So the more we can care about more people, the more we can give love out to other people, the better we can receive it in our own lives, and the better and better we will get over and over again. Basically, that's the idea here. It's once again all just about sending love and energy out to the world. But it's doing it in a very practical way that's very much on how to win friends and influence people, to make people happy by having that kind of idea, by sending out that kind of love. That we really get that when the people feel like they're being listened to, when they feel like this is working, when they feel that they're getting that kind of attention. Because people have this strong need for importance, which I'll talk about in a later video, but basically that's what I take away from part 77. People have a really important, a really important need to feel important. So the more you can help them feel important, the more your subconscious mind will help you feel important. That's about it for part 77. I will see you guys next time with part 78, so stay tuned.